What's up, guys? It's Robert Tyrell again from the YMD Video Vault, here with another free video. Today, I want to talk about a free tool that will enhance your video producing skills. We all know how important video is nowadays for branding and advertising, so I'm all about sharing tools to make things easier. The tool is called ClipGrab. ClipGrab is a free video downloading tool and file converter for Mac and Windows. Download videos off of YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, and many other video sites. It has the ability to convert video files into other formats as well. And lastly, and I don't see them talking about this anywhere on their site, but it acts as a video compressor as well. I started to notice after downloading some of my own videos that the size becomes amazingly smaller, saving precious room on your hard drive and any cloud storage site you may be storing your videos. And ClipGrab is free. All you have to do to use ClipGrab is open the app and copy and paste the link here. It will ask you what format file you'd like to download it as and in what quality. That's it. Hit grab this clip and the magic begins. There's a few other simple options like a search tool, settings tab, and more, so be sure to check that out as well. ClipGrab is great for when you need to, let's say, pull a video off of YouTube for a client that's dragging their feet getting you content, or having trouble sending a larger file. Or maybe you want to edit an existing video, changing length, add a call to action graphic at the end of the video, or maybe you only want to use a small clip out of a certain video. I will say as a disclaimer, don't be just taking people's videos online and just using them for your own. You may break a few laws and risk further legal action, so use common sense. Links are down below in the description for Mac and PC users. I hope this tool helps you while creating your new videos. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the group. And be sure to share how you're using ClipGrab to make your video masterpiece. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out all of our free content in our units section of this group in the YMD Video Vault. I'll see you guys and gals in the next video. Thanks for watching.